ISI 2023 PA question number 17. Bowl A contains 2 red coins, 2 red. Bowl B contains 2 white coins. Bowl C contains 1 white and 1 red coin. Bowl is selected uniformly at random and a coin is chosen from it uniformly at random. If the chosen coin is white, what is the probability that the other coin in the bowl is red? So probability that the other coin is red, that means that it is bowl number C, given that one of the coin is white. So basically C given 1 I have taken out as white divided by what is the probability of taking out a white in the first instance. This is a Bayes theorem question. Okay, let's do it. So C picking a bowl C is 1 by 3. Picking 1 white from C is 1 by 2. Because I have to pick from 2 balls 1 white, so the probability of that is 1 by 2. Picking up white can happen from bowl B. Probability is 1 because both are white. Or from bowl C. Probability of selecting is 1 by 2 again. So 1 by 6 divided by 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. 1 by 3 is basically 2 by 6. Okay, so this is basically answer. 1 by 3 is the answer. B.